Meaning of inclusion.
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 Inclusion. Inclusion refers to the act of ensuring that everyone, regardless of their differences or backgrounds, feels valued, respected, and supported within a community or organization. It involves creating an environment where diversity is embraced and individuals feel a sense of belonging. Inclusion focuses on removing barriers to participation and promoting equitable opportunities for all. The result of inclusion is a society where everyone can reach their full potential, and where diversity is celebrated as a strength rather than a source of division. This leads to a more harmonious and productive community where individuals are empowered and feel a sense of connection to one another.